About this item type G adapter. 3-prong grounded US to UK adapter works in Ireland, Dubai, England, Scotland, Hong Kong, Singapore, Tanzania, St. Lucia, the UAE, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Myanmar, Malaysia, Qatar, Malta, and more. Area 7-in-1 UK power adapter. TESSAN UK adapters for travel provides 4 AC outlets to accept both standard and American 2 or 3-prong flat pin plug. Can be used for bulky adapters simultaneously. 3 USB ports can charge up to 2.4 A max, ideal for cell phone, tablet, laptop etc. Compact size, portable and lightweight design make UK travel adapter easily fit into your luggage and briefcases. No surge protection, no cords. Let the Ireland plug adapter fully cruise ship approved, not a voltage converter. This UK power converter is only compatible for 100V to 250V wide voltage device. If your device works on 110V/125V voltage only, such as hair dryer, straightener, razor etc., you may need a voltage converter for your trip. Suitable for any occasions. Max capacity up to 3250 watt, 250V/13A. TESSAN UK outlet adapter is indispensable for traveler, businessman, and students when visit applicable area. Can works in hotel, bedroom, bathroom, and college dorm. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item type G adapter. 3-prong grounded US to UK adapter works in Ireland, Dubai, England, Scotland, Hong Kong, Singapore, Tanzania, St. Lucia, the UAE, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Nigeria.